2025 Girl Regional Championship. This is the final contest in the Eastern region. And in this contest, we have Okuapemman School. Pope John Senior High School and Minor Seminary. And St. Peter's Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. Okuapemman School is represented by
Asari Godfrey, Fianco Dima Kosi,
Okuapemman School. What should we expect from you in this contest?
Okay, hello. Okay, so in this contest, we hope that you're going to be victorious because this is how far the Lord has brought us, and we hope you're going to win this contest.
Best wishes to you, Okuapemman School. Okuapemman School believes that they will be victorious in this contest. Best wishes to them. We have Pope John Senior High School and Minor Seminary. They are represented by
Bento Joshua, Jude Monu,
Pope John, what should we expect from you in this final contest?
We are hoping and praying that the will of the Lord will be done.
Pope John Senior High School is trusting the will of God. Best wishes to you. And finally, we have St. Peter's Senior High School. They are represented by
Minta Boaji Benihina Boaji. Abuni Manuel.
How about you, St. Peter's? What should you expect from you in this contest?
It is the Lord that brought us here. We know that the Lord that has brought us here will surely take us to where we want to go.
Okay. Best wishes to all the schools. The Girl Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Girl PLC with support from MTN Momo and Joy News. We'd also like to acknowledge the support from Charles in preparing these brilliant students to participate in the competition. My name is Dr. Thelma Ohini J, a senior lecturer at the School of Pharmacy, University of Ghana, Legon, and I'm your quiz mistress. This is a primetime production. So to our finalists, we'll have this contest in 4 rounds. We'll start in round 1. In this round, a series of questions will be asked of you to test your understanding of concepts in physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. If a question comes to your school and it involves calculations, you have 30 seconds to give an answer. If there are no calculations, you have 10 seconds. And you have 1 attempt at each question. A correct answer will earn you 3 points, an incorrect answer, 0. But another school can ring for that question, and if they answer correctly, they earn a point. If your answer to the bonus question is incorrect, then there's a penalty point of 1. In this round, I'll start with Okuapemman School. It starts with a preamble, and they have 30 seconds to answer this question. Identify the indicated agent in the given redox reaction. Give a reason for your choice based on the change in oxidation states of the relevant species. Identify the indicated agent in the given redox reaction. Give a reason for your choice based on the changes in oxidation state of the relevant species, Okuapemman. The reducing agent in Mn plus N2 goes to Mn2 N2. So capital M small n plus capital N2 goes to capital M small n2, then capital N2.
Okay, so the reducing agent is Mn, and this is because its oxidation state changes from 0 in the reactant side to +3 in the product side.
Yes, that's correct. Hope John. Reducing agent in CH4 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O.
The reducing agent is CH4. This is because the oxidation state of carbon increases from -4 to -4 in CH4 to +4 in CO2.
Yes, that's correct. St. Peter's. Oxidizing agent in Fe2 plus H2O2 gives Fe3 plus H2O.
The oxidizing agent is H2O2. This is because the H in this -1 in the hydrogen is reduced, or sorry, the oxygen in the hydrogen peroxide, that's H2O2, is reduced from an oxidation state of -1 to -2.
Beautiful.
2 out of 3. And it's because you came back on your answer. A preamble. Find the values of the constants A and B if find the values of the constants A and B if Okuapemman. The expression x minus 1 squared is a factor of x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus 2. Go ahead. Round 1, whenever you are ready, you speak into the microphone.
Okay, so the value of A is 0, and that of B is -3.
Yes, that's correct. Hope John, the expression x plus 2 squared is a factor of x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 4. Yes.
A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 0.
Yes, that's correct. St. Peter's, x minus 2, the expression x minus 2 squared is a factor of x cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 4.
B is equal to 8 and A is equal to -5.
No. A bonus to Okuapemman.
So we have A is equal to -5 and B is equal to 8.
What did I read? What's the factor?
X minus 2 all squared.
And what's the expression?
X cubed plus ax squared plus bx minus 4.
Okay, we'll come to that. Okay. A preamble. An object of mass 8.0 kilograms has moment of inertia 4.0 kilogram meter squared about an axis A prime through its center of mass. Using the given data to find the kinetic energy of the object when it is spun at angular frequency omega about an axis parallel to but displaced from A prime by a distance d. I'll take it again. Okay. An object has mass 8.0 kilogram and has moment of inertia 4.0 kilogram meter squared about an axis A prime through its center of mass. Using the data given to find the kinetic energy of the object when it is use the given data, okay, to find the kinetic energy of an object when it is spun at angular frequency omega about an axis parallel to but displaced from A prime by a distance d. Do you all have that? Okuapemman, omega is 5.0 rad per second and d is 0.20 meters. Go ahead.
Okay, so the kinetic energy is 54 joules.
Yes, that's right. Pope John, omega is 4.0 rad per second and d is 0.25 meters.
The kinetic energy is 36 joules.
Yes, that's correct. St. Peter's. Omega is 6.0 rad per second. And D is 0.25 meters.
$81 joules.
That's correct. So name, this is a preamble to all the schools. Name one distinguishing character of members of the order Hymenoptera. So one major character of the order Hymenoptera. Yes, go ahead.
So they have constricted waist.
Yes, yes. Pope John. Pope John.
Membranous wings.
No.
If they have wings, they have hooked wings. Their wings are hooked.
Are they the only order with hooked wings?
Yes.
No, I don't have that. Okay. So, but we can also come to that. The answers I have are, so they possess two pairs of membranous wings. They have a narrow waist, and the females have the ovipositor, usually modified for stinging, piercing, or sawing. Okay. So they have 30 seconds for this. The name of the given compound is inappropriate. Give the correct IUPAC name. The name of the given compound is inappropriate, so give the correct IUPAC name. Okuapemman 2-methyl 4-chlorobutane.
Okay, so we have 1-chloro, 3-methyl butane.
Yes, that's correct. Pope John. Pope John. 3,5-dimethyl pentane.
It is 3-methyl-hexene.
Yes. St. Peter's. 2-ethyl 3-methyl butane.
We have 2,3-dimethyl pentane.
That's correct. A preamble. Solve for x from the logarithmic equation. Solve for x from the logarithmic equation. Okuapemman log to the base 2 of the expression 2x plus 8 minus log to the base 2 of the I'll take that again. Log to the base 2 of the expression 2x plus 8 minus log to the base 2 of the expression x minus 3 equals 2.
X equals 10.
Yes. Pope John. Log. Pope John, log to the base 5 of the expression 6x minus 15 minus log to the base 5 of the expression x minus 2 equals 1.
X is equal to 5.
That's correct. St. Peter's. Log to the base 4 of the expression 3x plus 4 minus log to the base 4 of the expression x minus 2 is equal to 1.
X is 12.
Yes, x is 12. A preamble. An ideal Atwood machine has weights W1 and W2 at the ends of the machine's inextensible string. Find the magnitude of the acceleration of the weights as a fraction of local gravity for the given values of W1 and W2. Do you all have that preamble? I should go over. An ideal Atwood machine has weights W1 and W2 at the ends of the machine's inextensible string. Find the magnitude of the acceleration of the weights as a fraction of local gravity for the given values of W1 and W2. Okuapemman, W1 equals 8.0 newtons and W2 equals 12 newtons.
We have 0.20.
That's correct. Pope John. Pope John. W1 equals 18 newtons and W2 equals 32 newtons. Yes.
So we have 0.29.
No. St. Peter's for the bonus.
0.28.
Yes, 0.2. St. Peter's. W1 is 6.0 newtons and W2 is 9.0 newtons.
Zero 0.20.
That's correct. Okuapemman. Give a term used in biology that denotes the birth rate of a population. A term in biology that denotes birth rate of a population. Go ahead.
We have the natality.
Repeat that.
Natality.
Spell.
N-A.
No, wait, start again.
N-A-T-A-L-I-T-Y. Tality.
Yes, that's correct. Because I heard lethality. That's what I wanted you to spell. Okay. Pope John, what description is given to animals that move into a habitat?
Immigrants.
St. Peter's gave a term used in biology that denotes the rate of death of a population.
Mortality.
Yes, it's mortality. That brings us to the end of round 1.
Your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will fill ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, dia.
She's coming. She's coming!
Oh, it's in.
Red out receive now!
Boss, let's go back.
Okay, here. Take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming! Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will fill ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, dia.
She's coming. She's coming!
Oh, it's in.
Red out receive now!
Boss, let's go back.
Okay, here. Take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming! Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Ufilia, huh? Ubefil. Goil, good energy. Ja, dia.
Given that cos x equals 2 on 3, evaluate cos 2x. Pope John.
It is negative 1/9.
That's correct. Find the coordinates of the image of the point A, -2, under the linear transformation T such that x, y goes to 2x plus y, x minus 2. St. Peter's.
The x coordinate is -2 and the y coordinate is -6.
That's correct. I understand that some of you may speak slowly. I'm going to allow that, but if there are pauses in your answers, I will move. Find the coordinates of the stationary points of the curve y equals x plus a fraction. The numerator of that fraction is 1. St. Peter's.
The x coordinate is 1 and the y coordinate is 2, or the x coordinate is -1 and the y coordinate is -2.
That's correct. So, it was x plus 1 on x. What mass of calcium hydroxide is needed to neutralize 400 cm³ of 0.50 mole per dm³ aqueous HCl? Okuapemman.
We have 11.2 grams.
No. Who else rang the bell? Pope John.
We have 0.74 grams.
No. Seven point four grams. Calculate the percentage by mass of carbon in 2-methyl hexane. Pope John.
70%.
No. St. Peter's.
84%.
Yes, it's 84%. Our next question. Helium. Helium effuses through a pinhole 6 times.
144 grams per mole.
That's correct. So it effuses 6 times faster than an unknown gas. They were to determine the molar mass of the gas, and it's 144 grams per mole. Find the product of the acceleration due to gravity and the horizontal range of an object projected 30 degrees above the horizontal at 8 meters per second, leaving your answer as a set. Pope John.
32√3. That in meters squared per second squared.
That's correct. Light. Light is incident from a medium of refractive index 7/4 onto the boundary with a medium of refractive index 3/2. Find the sign of the angle of incidence at which the light is just totally reflected. Give your answer as a fraction. Okuapemman.
6/7.
Yes, 6/7. Next. Give the wavelength of the second longest wavelength spectral line in the Lyman series of hydrogen, correct to 3 significant figures. the wavelength of the second longest wavelength spectral line in the Lyman series of hydrogen to 3 significant figures? Yes, Pope John.
91.1 nanometers.
No. It's 103 nanometers. What type of natural resource are living?
Human resource.
No. Are living organisms. Living organisms. What type of natural resource are living organisms? Oh, you know, renewable or non-renewable, so it's renewable. What kind of pathogen causes poliomyelitis? Okuapemman.
Virus.
Yes, virus. Name the main energy source
Adenosine triphosphate.
No. Biomolecule for cells. The main energy source biomolecule for cells. St. Peter's.
Glucose.
Yes, it's glucose. That brings us to the end of round 2.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
So sometimes the questions that are asked, if you are thinking too far, you probably are wrong. Sometimes the answers are closer than you think they are. Okay. At the end of round 2, the scores are Pope John SHS and Minor Seminary, 22 points. Okuapemman School, 29 points. St. Peter's Senior High School, 34 points. Before we go on to round 3, Before we go on to round 3, Okuapemman, before we go on to round 3, Pope John would like David to come on for Joshua. Round Compton scattering may be considered as a collision between a photon and an electron.
True.
Yes, it's true. Pope John, in Compton scattering, the electron absorbs all the photon energy.
False.
Yes, it's false. St. Peter's, energy is not conserved in Compton scattering.
False.
Yes, it's false. Okuapemman, all bones are long.
False.
Yes, it's false. Pope John, all bones possess a notch.
False.
Yes, it's false. St. Peter's, all bones possess marrow.
False.
That's also false. Okuapemman, the electrochemical series ranks elements strictly by their ability to be oxidized.
True.
No, it's false. Pope John, metals at the top of the electrochemical series are more likely to lose electrons.
True.
Yes, that's true. St. Peter's, in the electrochemical series, metals with more negative reduction potentials are less likely to be oxidized.
It is false.
Yes, it's false. A preamble. The period t of the trigonometric function. The period t of the trigonometric function, Okuapemman, f of x equals cos 2x is t equals 2 pi.
False.
Yes, it's false. Pope John, f of x equals tan 2x is t equals pi on 2.
True.
Yes, it's true. St. Peter's, f of x equals sine 3x is T equals 2 pi on 3.
True.
Yes, that is true. Okuapemman, the glow near the anode of a low pressure gas discharge tube arises from X-rays generated as electrons collide with the anode.
True.
No, it's false. Pope John, the glow in a low pressure gas discharge tube arises from emission by electronically excited neutral molecules in the tube.
False.
No, it's true. St. Peter's, the cathode dark space in a glowing low pressure gas discharge tube is a high vacuum region devoid of electrons, ions, or neutral molecules.
False.
Yes, it's false. Okuapemman, apical meristem of a plant is always at the highest point of the plant.
False.
Yes, it's false. Pope John, apical meristem is found in the axil of leaves. Yes.
False.
No, it's true. St. Peter's, apical meristem is formed by the corpus and tunica.
True.
Yes, it's true. Okuapemman, in the formation of multiple bonds, the sigma bond is always formed first.
False.
No, it's true. Pope John, in a saturated organic molecule, only sigma bonds are present.
True.
Yes, that's true. St. Peter's, sigma bonds are typically broken in homolytic cleavage reactions to form free radicals.
True.
Yes, it's true. And that brings us to the end of round 3.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming!
Oh, it's in.
Red, receive no!
coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Ufilia, huh? Ubefi. Goil, good energy. Ja, dia. Brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Ufilia, huh? Ubefi. Goil, good energy. Ja, dia.
Oh, it's in.
Red hour receipt now!
Boss, you like my bag?
Okay, here. Take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Ufilia, huh? Ubefi. Goil, good energy. Ja, dia. Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Ufilia, huh? Ubefi. Goil, good energy. Ja, dia.
She's coming. She's coming.
go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming! Oh, she's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming! She's coming!
Oh, it's in.
Red out receipt now!
Boss, you left my bag.
Here, take this.
She's
go to
coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming! Oh, she's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
She's coming! She's coming!
Oh, it's in.
Red out receipt now!
Boss, you left my bag.
Here, take this.
She's
go to
coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming! Oh, she's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goyle Super XP. Ufilia. Huh? Ubefi. Goyle. Good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
Some protests from Pope John. So the first one is apical, their biology question. Apical meristem is found in the axil of leaves. And the answer was false, which is actually the correct answer. And they are also challenging St. Peter's answer. So I asked St. Peter's, apical meristem is formed from the corpus and tunica. And they said true, I accepted. Pope John is saying apical meristems are always formed from the corpus and tunica, false. But that's not the statement I read. There was no always in my question, so I cannot accept that. Okay, and then Pope John once again, their physics question. The physics question said the glow in a low pressure gas discharge tube arises from emission by electronically excited neutral molecules in the tube. My answer was true. They said it should be false because the glow arises from the emission of light by electronically excited neutral atoms, not the emission of the particles of the tube. But I'm not sure this statement says that the glow is from emission of particles. The question says the glow in a low pressure gas charge arises from emission by electronically excited neutral particles in the tube. So my very, very challenged physics tells me that the electronically excited neutral particles will emit something that is visible as the glow, and that is true. So that is round 3. So the scores here are Pope John SHS and minor seminary 35 points. Okuapemman School 36 points. St. Peter's Senior High School 50 points. Round 4. So in this round, we determine the school that goes back to their campus with the Eastern Regional Championship 2025. They go with this plaque. And we are going to determine this winner using 4 different riddles. You get a series of clues to help you identify whatever substance is being talked about in the riddle. When I'm on the first clue, or just after I've read it, if you give a correct answer, you earn 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Third clue or thereafter, 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's no penalty. You stay out of that particular riddle and come for the next. Also in this round, we have what we call the Goal Riddle Bonanza. And Goal will reward the school that answers 3 or 4 riddles correctly. If you answer 3 riddles correctly, you earn 200 cedis. And if you answer 4 riddles correctly, you earn 400 Ghana cedis for your team. Okay. So on to our riddles. Our first riddle. I am a vegetative propagative method. I involve 2 plants.
Grafting.
No. I involve 2 plants that may or may not be directly related. I usually involve the use of bats. I involve... Yes, Okuapemman.
Baden.
Yes, I'm Baden. Our next riddle. I am a solid substance. I am a solid substance. I sublime. I am commonly used as a cooling agent. My gaseous form is a greenhouse gas.
Naphthalene.
No. I'll continue. My gaseous form is a greenhouse gas.
Dry ice.
Yes, I'm dry ice. Our next riddle. St. Peter's. Our next riddle. I am a 3-digit palindromic number. I am an odd number. The sum of my digits is a dozen. The number formed by my first 2 digits is a square. Yes, St. Peter's.
You are 363.
Yes, I'm 363. Our last riddle. Our last riddle. I am a type of process. I am a type of process. For an ideal gas, I am represented by a hyperbola on a pressure versus volume diagram. Yes.
Adiabatic process.
Yes, I'm an adiabatic process. 4 points. Second clue. At the end of the 4th round, the scores are Pope John Senior High School and Minor Seminary, 39 points. Okuapemman School, 39 points. St. Peter's Senior High School, 56 points. So, St. Peter's. With that convincing score, St. Peter's Senior High School wins this final contest and are therefore declared winners of the Eastern Regional Championship 2025. Congratulations to St. Peter's Senior High School. And well done to Pope John Senior High School and Minor Seminary, as well as Okuapemman School. The Goal Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Goal PLC, with support from Momo from MTN and Joy News. My name is Thelma Hineje, your quiz mistress. This is a primetime production. Thank you and see you soon. 39. Okay, so with that, we know who the winner is, but we have to also break the tie to determine who came second and who came third. So, between Okuapemman School and Pope John School, sudden death. Sudden death, okay. So I would ask one question. Whoever answers first, that person is in second place. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Okay. Solve x from the logarithmic equation. Log to the base 2 of the expression 3x plus 6 minus log to the base 2 of the expression. Yes, Pope John.
X is equal to 6.
No. Okuapemman. So log to the base 2 of the expression x minus 3 equals 2. Yes, Okuapemman.
X equals 18.
No. Yes, x equals 18. You want to come?
Thank you all. Hello. Please let's settle down for the presentations. Let's settle down for the presentations. Thank you all very much. So congratulations once again to all three finalists. It's not easy to make it to the final. It's not easy to make it to the championship final. So congratulations to all three schools. As you are well aware, the Eastern Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by GOIL PLC, GOIL Good Energy. So we have some reps from GOIL here to help us with the presentations. So can the coordinator of Pope John SHS and Minor Seminary join his contestants on stage for placing third in this year's Eastern Regional Championship, the earn 2,000 Ghana cedis. Coordinator substitutes, join your contestants on stage for the presentation. Coordinator substitutes. Congratulations to Pope John SHS and Minor Seminary for placing third in this year's Eastern Regional Championship. So thank you all very much. We hope that Pope John can go back, prepare stronger, and bring even an even greater performance at this year's National Championship. Congratulations. Next, we have Okuapemman School for placing second. They shall earn 2,000 Ghana cedis from GOIL PLC. Coordinator, substitutes, join your colleagues on stage for the presentation. It's not easy to make it to the championship final and to place second for your first time in the championship final is an impressive feat. So congratulations. Well done to Team Okwas. First time in the final, you placed second is no easy feat. Congratulations to the team Okwas. And now finally to the champions, the 2025 champions of the Eastern Regional Championship, St. Peter's SHS. This year, 4,000 Ghana cedis, certificates of participation, and then the championship plaque to crown you as the Eastern Regional Champions for the 2025 edition of the GOIL PLC Eastern Regional Championship. Congratulations to St. Peter's SHS. Well done, well done, well done. Well done, well done. Now the quiz mistress will help us present the customized plaque to St. Peter's SHS for being crowned this year's regional champions for the Eastern region. Congratulations to St. Peter's once again. Good job done. Good job done. Good job done, St. Peter's. Thank you all very much. Thank you all very much. Thank you all very much. It's been fun here in the Eastern region. It's been fun here in the Eastern region. The entire week has been fun. We want to thank you all very much for your patronage, for coming on time for your contest. Thank you all very much. Now we can continue the celebrations outside. Thank you all very much. Thank you all very much. Let's continue the celebrations outside. Let's continue the celebrations outside. Thank you all very much. Thank you very much. Please, let's continue. Let's take the celebration outside. We have to park. Thank you very much. Let's take the celebrations outside. We need to park. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let's continue the celebrations outside. Thank you very much. We have to park. Thank you all very much. Thank you. And see you at the National Championship. Thank you.